Are you ready to unleash the full power of Fiverr and transform your freelancing career? Welcome to our video, Unlocking the Power of Fiverr, your ultimate guide to success. Get ready to embark on an exhilarating journey through the world's leading online marketplace for freelancers and clients. Fiverr is not just a platform, it's a gateway to limitless opportunities and extraordinary success. Whether you're a talented freelancer seeking global recognition or a business owner in search of top-notch professionals, Fiverr is the ultimate destination that connects dreams with reality. In this highly anticipated video, we will dive deep into the dynamic and thriving ecosystem of Fiverr. From graphic design to programming, writing to video production, and everything in between, Fiverr hosts an astonishing array of services that will leave you awestruck. Get ready to witness the mind-blowing talent of creative visionaries, tech virtuosos, marketing maestros, and industry experts who are just a click away from transforming your wildest ideas into stunning realities. But hold on, the excitement doesn't end there. We'll reveal the insider secrets to skyrocketing your success on Fiverr. Learn how to craft a captivating profile that leaves clients begging for your services. Discover the art of creating irresistible gigs that make you stand out from the crowd. Unleash the power of customer satisfaction and unlock a floodgate of positive reviews that will boost your reputation to new heights. But wait, there's more. We'll take you on a thrilling journey through Fiverr Pro, where the top-tier freelancers congregate and flourish. Experience the unparalleled quality, professionalism, and white-glove service that Fiverr Pro brings to the table. When you demand nothing but the absolute best, Fiverr Pro delivers without compromise. Are you a buyer eager to find the perfect match for your project? We've got you covered too. Uncover the secrets to identifying the ideal freelancer, decoding gig descriptions, and leveraging the power of Fiverr's messaging system to ensure seamless communication. Don't settle for anything less than extraordinary results with the help of our buyer tips and strategies. Get ready to ignite your passion, embrace your dreams, and unlock a world of unparalleled success on Fiverr. Are you prepared to witness the astonishing stories of freelancers who turned their passions into thriving businesses? Are you ready to become a part of this incredible community of innovators, dreamers, and achievers? Then stay tuned as we unveil Unlocking the Power of Fiverr, your ultimate guide to success. Brace yourself for an extraordinary adventure that will reshape your freelancing journey forever. Get ready to make the most of Fiverr, where dreams become reality and success has no limits. Join us as we embark on this exhilarating voyage through the power of Fiverr. Welcome to Unlocking the Power of Fiverr, your ultimate guide to success. In this video, we'll delve into the various aspects of Fiverr and provide you with tips and strategies to maximize your success. So, let's get started. 1. What is Fiverr? Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's start with the basics. Fiverr is an online marketplace that brings together freelancers and clients from all walks of life. With millions of gigs available, Fiverr covers a wide range of services, including graphic design, writing, programming, marketing, video editing, voiceover, music production, and much more. The platform offers an opportunity for talented individuals to showcase their skills and for businesses to find the right professionals to meet their needs. 2. How to get started on Fiverr. So, you're excited to join Fiverr and take your freelancing career to the next level. Here's a step-by-step guide on getting started. Sign up and create a profile. Registering on Fiverr is simple. Just head to fiverr.com, click on the Sign Up button, and fill in your details. Once you've created an account, it's time to craft a compelling profile that showcases your skills, experience, and expertise. Define your services. Determine the services you'll offer on Fiverr. It's essential to identify your niche and focus on the areas where you excel. This will help you stand out from the competition and attract the right clients. Create attractive gigs. Gigs are the services you offer on Fiverr. Craft your gig descriptions carefully, highlighting the value you bring and including relevant keywords to improve visibility. Add high-quality images or videos to make your gigs visually appealing. Set competitive prices. Pricing your services appropriately is crucial. Research similar gigs on Fiverr to understand the market rates and set your prices accordingly. Starting with competitive rates can help you attract initial clients and build your reputation. 3. Types of gigs on Fiverr. Fiverr offers a wide range of gig categories to cater to different client needs. Here are some popular gig types you can find on Fiverr. Graphic design. From logo design to social media graphics, Fiverr hosts talented designers who can bring your visual ideas to life. Writing and translation. Whether you need blog posts, website content, or translation services, Fiverr has a pool of skilled writers and translators to assist you. Programming and tech. Find experienced developers and tech experts who can help you with web development, mobile app creation, WordPress customization, and more. Digital marketing. From SEO optimization to social media marketing, Fiverr offers a range of digital marketing services to boost your online presence. Video and animation. Need a promotional video or an animated explainer? Fiverr has videographers and animators who can create captivating visuals for your business. Music and audio. Fiverr's music producers, composers, and voiceover artists can provide you with high-quality audio recordings and custom music compositions. Business and lifestyle. Get assistance with virtual assistants, business planning, career advice, and various lifestyle services from professionals on Fiverr. 4. Fiverr Pro and Premium Services. Fiverr Pro is a premium offering that connects clients with top-tier professionals who have been vetted by Fiverr. These professionals undergo a rigorous application process and are selected based on their exceptional skills and experience. Fiverr Pro gigs come with additional benefits, such as dedicated customer support and high-quality work assurance. 5. Tips for buyers on Fiverr. Now that we've covered the seller perspective, let's discuss some tips for buyers looking to hire freelancers on Fiverr. Define your requirements. Clearly outline your project requirements before searching for freelancers. This will help you find the right professionals who specialize in the services you need. Review gig descriptions and portfolios. Carefully read gig descriptions, examine seller portfolios, and check customer reviews to evaluate the expertise and quality of the freelancers you're considering. Communicate effectively. When contacting freelancers, clearly communicate your expectations, project details, and deadlines. Open and prompt communication will ensure a smoother collaboration. Use the Fiverr messaging system. Keep all communication within Fiverr's messaging system to maintain a record of conversations and facilitate dispute resolution if necessary. 6. Basic, standard, and premium gigs. On Fiverr, sellers have the flexibility to offer different service packages to cater to the varying needs and budgets of clients. Let's explore the different types of gigs you'll commonly come across on the platform. Basic, standard, and premium. Basic gigs. Basic gigs are entry-level packages that provide essential services at an affordable price point. These gigs are perfect for clients who have a limited budget or require a quick and straightforward solution. While the basic package may offer fewer features compared to the higher-tier packages, it still delivers quality work. Standard gigs. The standard gigs are designed for clients who seek a more comprehensive and robust service. Sellers offering standard gigs include additional features, enhancements, or extras to provide a more well-rounded solution. This package is ideal for those who are willing to invest a bit more to receive an elevated level of service. Premium gigs. Premium gigs are top-tier packages that offer the most extensive range of services and the highest level of quality. These gigs cater to clients who require a premium experience and are willing to pay a higher price for exceptional work. Premium gigs often include additional revisions, expedited delivery, personalized consultations, and other premium features. As a client, it's important to carefully review the details of each gig package and select the one that best aligns with your project requirements and budget. Remember, even the basic gig can provide impressive results, so don't overlook them if they meet your needs. Congratulations on unlocking the power of Fiverr. Now it's time to take action and unleash your potential. Don't let this opportunity slip away. Sign up now through the link in the description below and embark on your journey to success. By joining Fiverr, you'll gain access to a global marketplace filled with endless possibilities. Whether you're a talented freelancer ready to showcase your skills or a business owner in search of top-notch professionals, Fiverr is the platform that can make your dreams a reality. So, what are you waiting for? Click that link, create your account, and start exploring the incredible opportunities that await you on Fiverr. Join the community of innovators, dreamers, and achievers who have turned their passions into thriving businesses. Remember, success on Fiverr is within your reach. Take the first step today and let Fiverr be your catalyst for greatness. Sign up now through the link in the description and become a part of the Fiverr revolution.